Hey guys, welcome to episode 3 of my 2019 makeup trends series. In this video, I'm going to create this bright pop of color that I have been seeing, like pops of colors and using like a lot more color in makeup this year, and I love playing with colors and I love making colors wearable. So this trend was right up my alley and I needed to recreate one look, and today that's what I'm going to show you. And I've already done my base. As you can tell, I used almost the same products that I showed in my previous video, which is episode 2. So please go watch that if you haven't already. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Let's start with the L'Oreal Vivid Paints eyeshadow. This is the shady purple one, and I am using this color all over my eyes. This look is so simple, you guys. I've just applied the liquid eyeshadow all over my eyes and used a smaller brush to kind of create this shape first, and then a fluffy brush to blend it, and that's it for my eyelids. I love the formula of these eyeshadows. They're super amazing. And then I went ahead and applied it onto my lower lash line as well, and then I just went ahead and blended that out, and that was it for my eyeshadow. Then I went ahead and took the SUVA Beauty Hydra liner in the shade Fanny pack, and these liners are so cool. Basically, they get activated with water. I'm just applying it with a very small brush into my inner corner, and then using the brush to kind of just blend it with the purple as well. I picked it up from the Morphe store in London. You can use any green liner that you have, or mix a yellow and a blue eyeshadow. I was supposed to put mascara, but I got too excited to put on my lipstick. I'm wearing the shade called Mauve from Maybelline. It's beautiful. And the shade called Don't Give a Fig from Bobbi Brown, just to add a little bit of gloss to the shade. And then finally, I went ahead and applied mascara, which finished the look. You could even draw an eyeliner if you want, but I just wanted it to be very simple and let the color do all of the work. And dude, how amazing is this mascara? If you haven't tried it, please try it. It's so good. And that finishes the look. So that's it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I had so much fun creating this, and I absolutely love these two colors together, and it was just so easy and quick and fun to create this. I really hope you guys have fun recreating this look. And if you don't have a green, then you can just mix any blue and yellow shadow or liners, and it's going to give you green. So play around with whatever makeup you have. You can choose any other color combination that you have already and just have fun. Makeup is all about having fun, and there are no rules to it. And at the end of the day, you can just wash off your face, and try again tomorrow or the next day. Which is why I absolutely love makeup and I absolutely love playing with colors. And I really hope this series helps you guys, and don't forget to subscribe because there are more videos coming in this series, and I can't wait to show you everything that I have in store. And that's all. Bye.